Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to have collard greens tonight for dinner amongst everything else that I had. And I got inspired to show you how I make a delicious collard greens side dish that is a little bit off the beaten path and a little bit different and very delicious. So what I'm starting with is some collard greens that have been sitting for about 20 minutes in a little bit of water. So they're kind of steaming and cooking down. I didn't add too much seasoning to start. I just wanted to get them nice and tender. So the seasonings I'm going to be using is smoked paprika, sea salt, black pepper, cayenne, and the mystery ingredient, nutmeg. Yes, a tiny, tiny bit of nutmeg is going to just kick this off. And if you haven't tried it before, definitely try it because it is delicious. So what I'm doing is I'm just sauteing the greens now. They've cooked down a little bit. I did add some vegan butter to it. And now I'm going to go in with my seasoning. So I'm adding a little bit of sea salt. I'm going to go ahead and add my ground black pepper. Just a little bit of each of those things. This is a single serving, so don't need to add too much ingredients. I'm not going in with like a teaspoon of anything, just a dash of everything. There's my smoked paprika, a little bit of cayenne. Not too much, just to give it a little bit of a kick, but you really won't be overwhelmed by the amount that I'm putting. And you can just eye it like I'm doing. And then this is the secret ingredient, the nutmeg. Just add a few dashes of that. You will be pleasantly surprised if you do this to your greens. So I'm just going to saute it a little bit more, get the seasoning nice and blended up in there. You can see that it's still smoking. I have it on about a medium low heat, and it was on a low to medium heat for about 20 minutes while I was cooking something else. And it's all ready. So here I am plating it up. You can see the greens are nice and tender. That buttery flavor from the vegan butter is coming through, as well as all of the other ingredients. So I highly recommend trying this recipe of just adding all of the ingredients that I stated and then that little dash of nutmeg. You will be pleasantly surprised at the taste. It's so, so good. And it's sauteed, it's not cooked down too much like we like to do it in the South sometimes. And I'm just going to go ahead and make this like a Buddha bowl. So I did steam some cauliflower rice. I'm adding the cauliflower rice. And I want to also add some, a little bit more, and then add some avocado. It's nice when the avocado is perfect and ripe and ready to go. And this one was ready. He's like, pick me, pick me. So I'm just going to put half here. Some good healthy fats. And then I'm going to go in with some sunflower seeds, which are very good for you. And then after I add the sunflower seeds, I'm going to go ahead and add some pumpkin seeds. So these are good to have on hand, guys, because you can add them to so many things. You can add them to your salads. You can add them to soups. You can add them to Buddha bowls like this one. It's nice to have that crunch without adding like croutons, or some other type of crunchy item that is not really giving you a lot of nutrients. So there are the pumpkin seeds there. And I was kind of like thinking about that nice, what was it that I made the other day with pumpkin seeds? That was really good. I'm trying to think. It was... Oh, the mayo. Oh, yeah, that's what I was thinking about. So that I made a mayo the other day with pumpkin seeds, and that would have gone really good on this, but I I ate it all already. So what I did was to give this kind of a sauce, I used a little bit of vegan jar vegan mayo, like about a half a teaspoon, and I put a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic in there, and a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And this was really good. So I'm just topping a little bit on top of there. And yeah, that was it. It came out really tasty. I'm still eating it here as I'm editing this video. I hope you'll try the greens recipe at least because, man, those greens are so good. It's a nice surprise to do greens in different ways. I didn't put any liquid smoke in it this time. I didn't miss it, actually. This is like a different way of using collard greens as a side dish or as a base for a Buddha bowl in this instance. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button so that they know we exist. The algorithm, they're always working, and they really just know that this is something to promote if it has a lot of likes. So if you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, and I'm on Instagram. If you want more details, I'll put it in the description box below. And have a great night. Bye.